Okay, this is First Violin Nightrider. Right now, we're working on measures 55 all the way through to 73, and then we're going to practice taking the da capo to the first measure. Okay, so let's look at what we have to do here. Here's measure 55. This is con legno. Remember, we were already doing con legno. So you're going to play tap, 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 set. Da-da-dum. So it's really important that on this rest, you set that bow on the string. We got to get good at setting the bow from con legno to arco. Then you're going to play from 57. Take the first ending. Notice here, you've got a long note. You got to really count. So it's a dotted half note tied to a half note. But there's a lift. So instead of playing a half note here, remember that performance practice, or the way we do that for string players, so we actually play a quarter note, and then we give ourselves, a quarter rest to lift the bow and set it for the next part. So when you get to the first ending, you're going to play A, B, C sharp, B, 2, 3, 1, lift set. Da, 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 and then you go back to 57. Okay, we're taking the repeat. Then you continue to play. And now this time, after 61, you don't play the first ending. You're going to skip to the second ending. Okay, you have another long note value here. So what is it? It's written as a dotted half note worth 3 beats, tied to another dotted half note worth 3 beats. Instead of playing a dotted half note, we're going to play just a half note. See how I marked an X through the dot? And then we're going to add a rest to lift set the bow. And then here we go at 68. We're going to play at the end. I'm not going to slow down today, so we're just not going to do that part. So we're going to play G, 2, 3, F sharp, 2. So I'm not going to take a fermata. Just going to go straight through it. G, 2, 3, F sharp, 2, 3, first measure. Okay, once more. G, 2, 3, F sharp, 2, 3, first measure. That's what we're working on in this video.